Factoring trinomials with leading 1.
All right, I have some help here from my oldest son, and we are going to factor this trinomial here, right? This is example 1 in the notes. If you look at this, it starts with a 1, which is very important. If it starts with a 1, you can go straight to the two binomials. And what I need to figure out is I need to figure out what is going to go here, 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 and here to give me my two binomials. Now, like I said before, the first two are going to come from this term right here. I'm going to get my first two from this term. I'm going to get my last two from this term. This middle term is a combination of the outer plus the inner.
Wait.
Okay.
It spells foil.
Foil, that's right. Okay, so let's take a look. If I'm looking at the first two, right? What two things multiply to give me x squared? And that's going to be x times x. Whenever your leading coefficient is 1, it's always going to be x times x. Now, we need to find out these last two numbers here. So we need to ask what two numbers multiply to give me 20. Now, I'm going to make a list over here, okay? And then we're going to pick them out from the list. So when I go to find the numbers that multiply 20, right, my first grade is going to help me here. What numbers multiply to give you 20?
5 and 4.
Okay, 5 and 4. What else?
2 and 10.
2 and 10. And then there's one more.
20 and 1.
That's right. Anything times 1 will give you itself. So here's my possibilities to give you 20. It's either 1 and 20, 2 and 10, or 4 and 5 over here on the right. Now, I asked myself, am I adding these or am I subtracting these? And I'm going to find that out from this sign right here. These are going to multiply to give me a positive 20. The only way to get a positive is if they're both positive or both negative. Then I look here. Since this is a plus, it tells me that they are both positive. They're both going to add up to give me 9, and then they're going to multiply to give me 20. So I'm going to go ahead and put my signs in here, plus and plus. And then what two numbers multiply to give me 20, but also add to give me 9? Do you know? No? Look at my list here. 1 and 20, 2 or 10, 2 and 10, or 4 and 5. Which ones add to give you 9?
Oh yeah, 4 and 5.
4 and 5, that's right.
So 4 and 5 make the 9.
That's right. So 4 times 5 will give me the 20, and then 4 plus 5 will give me the 9. Okay? The good thing about factoring is if you want to check it, you can multiply it out. Okay, so I will leave this as an exercise for you. If you want to FOIL this out, you're going to find out that you get what you started with. But my two factors are x plus 4 times x plus 5. And it does not matter which order they're in. You could have the x plus 5 first and the x plus 4 second.